you guys want to unlock every form for your Pokemon in PokeRogue, like Partner Pikachu or Battle Bond Froakie, the first thing you want to do is start a new game. So here we are in the starter selection menu, and I'm going to show you how this works with Pikachu because he has 9,200,000 forms. And as you can see right now, I have 0 forms unlocked. So the first thing you want to do is from here, you want to hit F12. That's going to bring up this menu right here. You want to go down towards the bottom here where it says search. If your search isn't right here, click on these 3 arrows and click search here. Sometimes it actually drops down to where it's located right here. If it is, when you click on it, it'll pop up like this. From here, you're going to type in show use candies and hit enter. That's gonna bring up this line right here. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna populate in this window right here. When it does, you're gonna go up 1 line and insert your breakpoint right here. The 1 line up from show use candies, insert your breakpoint. Once you do that, you're gonna click back in the game and then you wanna hover over any Pokemon. It doesn't have to be the Pokemon that you wanna change. You gotta hit space and go down to use candies and hit space again. And that's gonna pause everything. And now I'm gonna show you guys the code. And so here it is for all of your forms. The only thing that you need to change is this X right here. And since we're doing Pikachu, it's gonna be 25. So basically what this is doing is it's going through a loop up to 10 to check to see how many forms this Pokemon has and it's unlocking them. So Pikachu has a lot of forms, so this is gonna unlock them all. For every Pokemon with less forms than Pikachu, this code will still work as is. The only one it might not work for is Rotom, but I don't know how many forms that Pokemon has. So you might need to change this or adjust it if you're going for a Pokemon with more forms than Pikachu. And this is just a quality of life update I'm gonna start adding to my Google Docs, and that's just because so many people have asked for it. This is to completely reset your forms. So if you add all your forms and then you decide you don't want them anymore, go in here, you can add 25 for your Pikachu, copy and paste all this, throw it in the console, and it'll actually take away the forms. But for now, we're trying to add them all. And this Google Doc will be linked in the description of the video. You wanna go ahead and copy this code. And then once we get back into this menu, you're gonna go up here to where it says sources and console, and you're gonna click on console. And then down here, if you can't paste, just type in allow pasting and hit enter. And that's only if you can't paste. If you can, you should be fine. Hit Control V to paste your code. So here we have our code. We have 25, that's our Pikachu. We have 10 max forms. Pikachu doesn't have more than 10, so we're good here. We're gonna hit enter, and then you're gonna click back in the game, hit unpause. It's gonna make that crazy sound, don't worry about it. Then exit out of this, and then you wanna back out to the main menu, go back in a new game, go to your Pikachu. You can now see we have every form unlocked. So we have Partner Pikachu, we have Cosplay, and then we have all the cosplays unlocked. And as you can see here, it works on Froakie too, because we have Battle Bond unlocked. And so this code will work for every Pokemon with a form. You just have to make sure you change that dex number. Now go out there and cosplay with Pikachu.